you like to play a game?
Oh shit, that was close. Oh my god! So you just gotta get to the end. Shit. So you've just gotta get to the end, I didn't know that. Oh crap, I forgot to release the button. And I forgot to hold the button down. Third world problems. This isn't easy. I got right to the end that not last time, but that time, and now I can't even get to it. Oh my god, you dick! Shit. Shit. Shit! I hate this fucking remote. Seriously, the buttons are not responding! Great, now I'm gonna die. I know it. Fucking A. Fucking A. Come on, he's coming. Fuck! My goodness. Dick move. I think a lot of people are going to see a lot of rage from me in this series. Fuck! So frustrating right now. Oh. Sounding constipated. Oh my god! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. I didn't jump. Why didn't I jump? Because I'm a fucking scrub. Oh my god! Fuck! Shit, I fell for that one again. Fuck! Stupid fucking shit. And again. And again! And again! Oh my god, I'm about to hang myself. I really am. Oh, fuck, did I win? Yes! Thank you, Lord! The Lord Almighty, He come down and He smite my enemies. Ah, fuck. Yeah, you better be mad, bro, because I'm mad, bro. Ah, crap. Yeah, like a boss. Bye. He's like, dude, I want one of those. Hacker. So, what, was it the end of the game, or what? Aww. So much death, and so much life. We will never know how much we truly did wish to exist. We shall never know. For life is a squirrel that is crying. His family is now dead. Help them, meat boy. Help them. Get... What? Alrighty, never mind. That's fucking scary. Just cut his head off. Alrighty, fucking hell. It's frustrating as all hell. Okay, what's... Oh, is that, what, like a flag or something, or what? Oh. Okay then. Hospital. Walking like a pimp. Look at his, he's fucking, there he is in his bird thing. Alrighty, the hospital, CH2. Don't know what CH2 means, but whatever. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Gonna sit down for a long recording this time.